kids! Welcome to Bright Kids Learning. Today we will learn the days of the week.
Monday, the first day of the week. Time to go to school with a big smile.
Tuesday, a new day to learn, draw, read, and have. Wednesday, half of the week is done. Keep learning, keep growing.
Thursday, another happy day to study and play with friends.
Friday, yay! Weekend is coming, fun time is near.
Saturday, a day to relax, play, and enjoy.
Sunday, family day, rest day, and lots of fun.
Great job, kids! Now you know all the days of the week. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Bright Kids Learning.